Good afternoon, students. Today I got many queries regarding what to be studied in the practical. So what I did, instead of telling one by one, I make a full topology. Okay, I'll make a video which contain a full topology which contains all the activities we have done so far. Okay, so the packet tracer file is this one. We have switch S1, we have client PC, test PC, R1, R2, web server, internet, cloud, cable modem, wireless router, Wi-Fi PC, everything there. Whatever commands you studied, whatever connections we done, whatever configure, everything what we have done till now, till last week is covered in this activity. So when you do this activity, you'll get a clear idea, okay, about the practicals we discuss. Instead of uh, which one practicing each activity in each chapter, we'll go for this one activity with all activities. Okay, what we have done till date. Okay, so we have divided this into part 1, part 2 and part 3. Okay, so here part 1, what I will do, I will connect the cable. So first thing is choose the correct cable to connect R1 FA0 bar 0 to cloud H6. Okay, so F means you should remember it is fast Ethernet. Okay, so I will go to the topology R1 0 FA0 bar 0 to cloud H6. Okay, so I will go to the topology. Okay, so R1 I will take straight through cable. See, it's mentioned straight through here. I'll take this one. Here I have FA0 bar 0 to internet cloud Ethernet 6, Ethernet 6, Ethernet 6. Click this one. Okay, there is no percentage in this file, just I am showing you. Okay, after that, what they are telling is not we, I am telling. Okay, choose the correct cable to connect R1 SE0 bar 30 to R2 SC0 bar 10. R1 means router, R2 means another router. So in between we are going to have a serial cable or WAN cables, red color. Okay, serial means it's mentioned as SC, any red color serial cable, WAN cable. So what I will do, 0 bar 30 to SC10, 010. Okay, I'll go to R1 to topology. I'll go to R1 to R2. So I will take this cable, serial cable, serial 030 to R2010. Okay, so let's check the correct cable I connected. Yes, 030 from R1 to R2010. Okay, then connect cloud coax 7 to modem port 0. So cloud to modem. So it's mentioned coax means coaxial 7. So here also I'll mention. Okay, serial means red color, any red color. There are two red colors, you can take any one. Okay, red color cable is serial, red. So what I will do, I will make this red here, so that easy to understand. Okay, oh sorry, red. Now we have coax. Coax means coaxial cable. It is blue in color. Okay, so here I will just make this color. Okay, coaxial cable, and the modem has two port, port 0 and port 1. Here they are telling connect to port 0. So I will this one coaxial to identify. I just make this as blue. Where is blue? Dark blue. This one. Okay, color. So cloud to modem, coax 7 to port 0. Okay, I'll go to topology. Cloud, internet cloud. This is internet or cloud. Okay, I'll mention this internet or cloud. Okay, this cloud to cable modem. Okay, what I should take? Coax, any coaxial. See, blue, coaxial cable. Take this coax 7. Modem, two ports are there. In the question paper, they told port 0. Port 0. Okay, next connection. Choose correct cable to connect R2 JIG 0 bar 0 to web server. R2 to server, and server port is FA0. That's I forget. Okay, that I forget. Okay, the router R2 to web server. In the router it is gigabit Ethernet. Okay, then gigabit or fast Ethernet. Both are same. Okay, so I will take R2. This is R2. I have to go to web server. So we can take either straight through crossover. I take straight through. Okay, so here giga 00 fast Ethernet FA0. I take the straight through. LAN means straight through or crossover. Either you can take crossover or straight through, but I took straight through. Okay, leave it. So serial cable is red, coaxial is blue. Okay, straight through, crossover are black. Okay, now what else is the remaining from modem to wireless router? Okay, next is and also router to test PC, wireless router to Wi-Fi PC. Okay, so next cable is connect R2 console to test PC. Console cable from R2 console to test PC RS232. Okay, so that one I will take R2 console to test PC RS232. I'll take this cable, go to R2 console test PC RS232. Again, Mr. I didn't see what you did. Again, say Miss what mother is telling. Okay, so R2 console test PC RS232. So console connection done. Okay, now what they're telling, test PC FA02 S1 switch FA0 bar 3. Okay, again switch to computer we will take straight through cable. LAN, no, FA0 giga means LAN. LAN yani straight through crossover. I am taking straight through. Okay, so I will go to the test PC. So I'll take a straight through whatever cable FA0 switch FA0 bar 3 because already 1 and 2 already given. That's why. Okay. Okay, now we have cable modem to wireless router. Next question is connect cable modem port 1. You remember last when we connected that coaxial cable cloud to modem, we use port 0. That means port 1 is still remaining. So from port 1 in modem to wireless router internet port. Okay. So for that also I will take straight through cable. I will take straight through cable. Cable modem port 1 to wireless router. Internet, Ethernet 1, Ethernet 2, Ethernet 3, Ethernet 4. They told to connect internet. Okay, outside network. This is inside is Ethernet. Outside is internet. Okay, now last connection from wireless router to Wi-Fi PC. What they told is connect wireless router Ethernet 1 to Wi-Fi PC and Wi-Fi PC port number FA0. I forget to add that. Okay, so save file. Now I will connect wireless router again straight through cable I am taking. Ethernet 1, 2, 3, 4. In the question they give Ethernet 1. So take that one. Family PC FA0. Okay, USB don't take. RS232 don't take because it is only for console. Here it is fast Ethernet. So FA. Okay, the connection, the first part is done. Now the second part. Configure the switch S1. We are going to configure switch 1. There are so many commands here. You already know the command, but still I will repeat. Try this command there. Okay. So here they are asking you to configure. They didn't mention your console open through PC or something. Just they ask you configure switch 1. Just directly open the switch 1. Okay. No need to connect through console because you have to remove the console from R2 to S1. No need. Just open the switch and we have physical config CLI attribute. To configure a switch, go to CLI. So cursor is showing. If it is not showing also, click the mouse and press enter. Now you know all the switches have by default user exit mode. Okay, so I want to enter the privilege exit mode, then to global configuration mode. Okay, this is user exit mode, greater than symbol. Now I'll type enable. Okay, then I need to go to, now I'm in privilege mode, hash mode. I want to go to configure terminal or configuration mode. I will type configure C either space T or press enter. The question mark is again enter. Understand? Configure terminal. Again I will go back and just show you. Many methods are there. Okay, so either conf space T, you are in configuration mode, or configure space enter. Okay, better you try config space T. Okay, now I am configuration mode. What are the things I have in the question is hostname as IT switch. Okay, banner as banner, yani banner message as activity 1. Okay, first thing hostname IT switch. You know the command, so just I will copy paste for easy. Okay, copy paste. No, maybe you will also get lazy, so I'll try myself. Okay, so I'm not going to be lazy like say Idris. Okay, Idris, don't take it serious. Okay, so I'll go to the switch 1 host Okay, again, Mr. I don't know how time to type the full command. So host button tab key. What is the question? IT hyphen switch. When you are entering the host name, remember that only character we can add is hyphen. You cannot add at the rate. You cannot add hash. You cannot add number at the beginning. Number you can add here, but number you cannot add in the beginning. Beginning should be a letter. Anything can be a number, and the character we can add only is hyphen. No hash, no at the rate, nothing. Okay, done. Now the IT switch name change. Another command is banners, right? So banner, because I don't know the remaining part. So banner, then question mark. Okay, MOTD will come. Okay, so MOTD space double quotes. What is the message? Activity one double quotes. Do not forget. Okay, say last time when the exam was happening, no practical test. One girl, I think it is okay. Don't want to mention name. Okay, the girl, I think, okay, leave it. Okay, she typed all the commands, but nothing is saved. Problem is, after typing, she didn't check what's happening there. She put like a activity. Okay, then she forget to put the double quotes, ending double quotes. Okay, so what happened? It's coming like this. It is message. So what you should do? End with character double quotes. You have to end with double quotes. Now the band is set. Another one, say host name. Somebody type host name like this, and IT switch, and she just enter the command, enter key. Actually she didn't notice this error. This is the error message. Okay, so some invalid input on this location, and you see instead of A, E is coming. So this is the error message. This means this command is not recorded, not saved. You have to repeat this command again. Don't come to me, Mr. I type all commands, but still the you didn't give mark, because actually you did the command, Baba, but the input is not saved. The we give wrong input, that's why the command is not saved. Okay, so always make sure that once you enter the command, this message should not come. So that if it is not coming means you enter the command correct. Okay, you enter the correct command. Okay, now after that, next one is see privilege level password Cisco. Answer is enable password Cisco. Okay, privilege level password Cisco, enable password Cisco. So I will type the command same. Go to the, then after that, okay, let me go for this one, then I'll go for the next one. Okay, so same switch, enable password Cisco. Okay, and also bother give the correct value. Okay, don't give wrong values. Anyhow, you are not testing, don't test. Okay, do not test anything in the exam. Maybe if you forget password, mushkil to come back. Okay, do not test. Just what we are doing, enter the commands. Even this also I just shown this for which one, troubleshooting. Do not do like this. Okay, please Baba, understand what I'm telling. Do not do like this, give the correct command. If it is showing like this means, then only repeat the command. Do not do this, do not practice this. Okay, this only for I will make you understanding. Okay, I'm making you understand why this happened, because error. Okay, just give the command as it is. Okay, now next command is privilege level encrypted password as class. Encrypted any secret. So enable secret class. So the command I am going to type is, sorry, go to the packet tracer, switch, enable secret. See, I made a mistake, so spelling secret class. Okay, after that, what is the next question? Configure console password Cisco. So very important. See, many commands here. So first thing, line, first three letter con, only one console port. So 0, password is given in the question paper, password. This value also there, Cisco. Then login, exit. These 4 commands you should try. Okay, do not forget to add exit. No, if you forget to put exit, what happens? No, your commands will be still in, your switch will be still in line mode. So line mode means we cannot add more commands, we have to come out. That's why line 2 config is exit. Okay, so line console password Cisco. I will make it fast because we have no time, right? We have no space also. Okay, line con 0, say password. If you don't know the spelling of password, do not worry, just give pass, tab key will give you. Okay, do not make wrong commands. Okay, then login, exit. Now see, when I enter line con 0, it is config becomes config line. After doing all these things, I forget, I want to give exit, then only login config line will come back to config. Okay, After that, next command is what is that? Configure VTY or telnet password as class. I'll give you telnet. I will not give VTY. It's a hint, right? So I'll give configure telnet password class. Same thing. Instead of con, we'll have VTY. Instead of 0, we have 0 to 15 because more ports. So we have remote access. If you want to remotely access the switch from my home, I want to use this. I want to configure this telnet in the which one? My switch, and set the password. Okay. So command for configuring telnet is line VTY 0 to 15 password class login exit. Okay. Same here. Exit is important. So go here, I will configure line VTY 0 to 15 password class login exit. To come out of line, I need to type exit. Okay. Then encrypt all passwords. So we have not encrypted all the passwords. Okay. As you remember, brother, we do testing, no? So that time when you test, no, because you are the one who do always test. That's why I always tell brother. Okay. So here when you're testing time in Shoran, we can see all the passwords were in plain text except this secret password. Okay. This only will become a hash like that. Okay. But remaining all passwords are shown as plain text. So what happens, anybody hacking your switch or entering your switch without your permission, also they can see the passwords. Okay. So that what should I do? I want to make all the passwords encrypt kullu password, all the passwords to secret form. The command is service password -encryption. Okay. So I'll go here, encrypt all plain text passwords. The question answer is service password -encryption. I just type all the full command, but actually you don't want to do like this. Service ser, then p will get. Okay, just again serve p, this one, got it. Okay. After that, what I need is configure VLAN 1 interface or switch virtual interface SVI of the switch with IP address from table and enable it. So we need a table. So in the activity, I gave a table down. Okay. So switch name is actually IT switch. Okay. IT switch will come here. IT switch. The interface name VLAN 1, IP address this one, subnet mask this one. So what I will do, see the command is easy. INT, first command is INT. What is the name of interface given in the table? VLAN 1. Next line. What is C? IP space address, IP address, space subnet mask. Same line. Already the clue is there in the table. Now enable it, Yani. You know, when you enter the college lab, your computer is shut down. So what you will do, you will turn on the PC. Same here. No, it is shut down by default shutdown. Sorry, that interface shut down. Red color. What you should do to enable it is type no button shut, no shut or no shutdown. So this is the command int VLAN. No need to by heart. See here, Baba. Int space VLAN 1, Baba. Then next line IP space address space value this one. Then sorry, here it is 20. Yeah. Okay, I'll make it 20. Okay. Space subnet mask. Then no shut for enable. If you don't put no shut, this interface will be disabled or red color, and you will not get marked for enable. So no shut. Okay. The next it. So here I will go again. What is the address? 10.20. Okay. So I'll open this. Sorry, not this activity you did in the class. Okay. So go to S1 again. So all these things are doing in configure mode. Okay. Remember, if I exit by mistake and if I try to put int VLAN 1, mister, it is not coming. See, galat. Actually, Baba, command is not galat. You are in the wrong mode. Okay. Configure always in the configuration terminal mode, configure mode. So what you should do, go back, conf space t. Now int, see, all these things, do not go back, Baba. Please listen. I am just testing. I am just showing you what are the mistakes will happen. So always do this in the configuration mode. For that only I came out and come back. Okay, brother, please do not practice what I'm doing this. Okay, this is for testing. So the question is configure VLAN 1 or SVI interface. So int VLAN space 1. So I'll make smaller. Okay, no issue, but still IP address. So address has address. If you have doubt, means AD address. Okay. 192.168.10.20 Bahrain space 255.255.255.0. Mister, how many 255? 3 times, mister. Then 10 in between dot. Don't forget to put space between IP address and subnet mask. In between IP address we have dot. Okay. Now interface is assigned IP, but you have to enable it. No, so no shut. Now it is up. This message shows the interface VLAN 1 is up. Now you are in configuration interface mode, exit to come out. Okay, then what else we have? The commands, no, hit that, save the configuration. Okay, so we have to save the switch configuration. Go to the switch. How do we save? If I'm in configuration mode, what I will do copy, run, start. This is one method. Yes. Another method, do wr, another command. Okay, if you are in hash mode, you should type no need of do, copy, run, start, or wr, no need of do, because you are in hash mode means just type wr or copy, run, start, running configuration to startup configuration. If you are in config mode, any other mode, do put do in front of that. That's all. Okay, so part 2 is done. Now go for part 3. Display information about the switch, display running configuration of current configuration of switch, display startup configuration of switch, display details of all interfaces in brief. Okay, so for that again I want to go back to switch. See, for display current configuration in the switch, go to hash mode and type show run. Display startup current startup configuration of switch, you should type show start. Display details of all interfaces in brief, you should type show IP int br. Okay, I will try these commands one by one. Okay, I will go to my switch again. Mr. All the show commands in hash mode. Okay, I'll show you the error. See, don't try this. Don't practice whatever errors I'm showing. Just I'm telling you, these are the errors you will bring in the exam. So that time nobody will help you. You should do yourself. Help yourself. Okay. So see here, I am typing, Mr. You told display running configuration. What is the command? Show run. See, Mr. It is showing error. Why? Because Mr. You are in the wrong mode. I told you show commands work in the hash mode. So you are in config mode. How to go out? Go back is exit. Okay, now display running configuration sh space run or show running config or sh space run. It will show you. Now I'm asking what is the use of show run command? Okay, assume I'm asking what is the use of show run command. See, it will display all the commands you entered now, current configuration, whatever commands you enter. See, service password encryption, hostname switch, enable secret, whatever commands you entered, you are in the configuration current mode. No, all the configuration you can check in show run configuration. Okay, then after that control Z, or you can go enter, go to the last one, or you can press control Z. Now display the details of startup configuration. See here the question. Display startup configuration. Show start or show startup configuration. So go here. I will type show sh start. Hello. Startup. If you didn't save, if you didn't save the configuration into the NV RAM, whatever you are doing in the current configuration is in RAM. So when power goes off, it will be gone. Okay, so what I need to store this into NV RAM. So for that, what I need, that's why I saved copy run start. Now what happens? Startup is also having all the configuration. Okay, now the last one, see here, that also very crucial. Okay, very important. See, like this too, display details of all interfaces in brief. Yani, I want to see which interface has IP address and its status. It is active or not, it is on or off. The command C, display details of all interfaces, the ports in brief, short form, show IP interface brief. Okay, the command I will try first. sh IP int br, show IP interface brief. sh IP int br. When I try this, see here, one big window will come. Now what I need is, this is the question. Okay, I want to check the detail of FA0 bar 1. So FA0 bar 1. See, this is IP address. This is the device, that interface up or down, the status. Up means it is enabled and green color and active. Okay. So see here, FA0 bar 1 is IP, no IP. Unassigned means no IP. See, no numbers here. Is it what about the status? Status is up because it is active, because it is green color. Okay, now go down, find any interface which is say, the remaining all are down. down. 0 bar 3, 0 bar 4, 5, 6 are down. Yani it is not connected, not enabled or down. Okay, status is down here. Other one status up. IP not assigned. Okay. Now go down, 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 down. See here, VLAN 1 interface name VLAN 1. IP address is assigned 192.168.10.20 and the status is up because we give no shit. Okay. So if I ask you what is the status of VLAN 1 interface, what you should do? Go to show IP. Already we have the output. No, in this output, or if I ask you what is the status of VLAN 1, yes, Mister, I have IP address 192.168.10.20 in the VLAN 1. What about the status, Mister Rashid? Mister, it is up. Yani it is active. Clear, Baba? Now last two commands. Basic troubleshooting command. Ping command is used to check connectivity. Okay, if I want to connect, if you want to check my computer connected to internet or not, or any computer, what I will do, I will type ping space IP address. Mister, how do we check the IP address, MAC address of a computer? IP config space slash all. So I think you have to write a small letter. Okay, IP config space slash all. Okay, these are the commands for troubleshooting as of now. Okay, where we will put these commands? Just I'll go here. Say I will go to this computer. I want to connect to this switch. Okay, so I'll test connectivity from this computer to this switch. So what I will do? Let me check the IP address of switch. What is the IP address of switch? 25.20. Okay, let me check this IPs in the computer. 25.20. Okay, so I'll go here and I will open the computer. Desktop IP. Okay, it is here 20.3. So I'll go for 25.3. The DNS server is not there. That's testing. Okay, now I want to get the connection from my client PC to switch S1. So what is the command? So this one, how you get the IP address? Desktop IP. Just I'm checking. Okay, now I need to type the ping command. Command prompt ping. What is the IP address of switch? 192.168.10.20. Let me check, Baba. 25.20. Sorry, 25.20. It's a command for establishing or verifying, checking connectivity. If connection exists means we'll get reply from 4 times. No connection means request timeout will keep on coming. Okay, I think so. This time, okay, just check that command for checking connection. Okay, so ping. I'll check the problem later. Okay, what is the issue? I'll check later. Okay, ping. Then after that, what we have is check the IP address, MAC address of my computer. So establishing connectivity, ping by the IP address of other device. Okay. Then what is the command to check IP address and MAC address of your computer? So IP config space slash all. Command to check IP address, MAC address of your computer. So see here, I have fast Ethernet NIC. So NIC means network interface card adapter. Okay. Physical yani MAC address. This is physical or MAC address. This cannot be changed. 00D0.97A6.D1B. What is the logical or IPv4 address? 192.168.25.3. Okay. So this is what we have done in this activity. Before that, let me check what was error in my switch. What IP I gave here? The switch 25. Here I gave 10.20. Okay. So what I will do, I'll go here. I will check the change the IP here because I made mistake there. Okay. I'll make this 10. Remember that one. You can to make sure that both devices are on same network means the in class C. We are discussing about class C, right? Okay. First 3 parts should be same. Here 192.168.10 is the first 3 part. In switch also it is 192.168.10. So first 3 same means it is same network. Now what I will do, I will ping again. So let me check the command prompt. It is Mafi 25.20. It is 10.20. Okay. I will go back again. PING 192.168.10.20. I think it's 10.20. Let me again. It's 10.20. It should come. Ping should get reply now. See, first time 1 packet will be lost. The remaining 3 will come. Reply from 3 times. Now when I try the second time, all 4 packets. The ping is a part of ICMP protocol. You remember the activity we did? Okay. So ICMP has echo request, echo reply. Okay. This ping works because of ICMP. That's all for this video. All the best for the exam. Bye. I'll send this packet tracer file as well as the Word file in e-learning, upload in e-learning. Okay, video also I'll upload. Let me stop the recording. It's 30 minutes almost. Okay.